Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I will be reviewing the friendship hamper from the Princess Box. Friendship Day on 6th August is nearing, so firstly a very happy Friendship Day in advance to all my lovely friends here. And secondly, I have the perfect gift sorted for you, which is absolutely adorable and very affordable at the same time. So let's start seeing the products and then I'll share my review on it. Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos. Firstly, let me just appreciate the packaging. Actually, I started opening the package and after seeing this, I thought no, I should do it on camera. Inside this courier packaging and bubble wrap, it's actually a gift wrap, and that also so beautifully gift wrapped hamper. It gave me the exact feeling of unwrapping birthday gifts. Just imagine your friend getting this hamper packed like this. Even though she might be miles apart from you, you would definitely know the exact expression on her face. I really like this touch of personalization. And then we have the Princess Box logo here. She has written Happy Friendship Day and the to and from names. Thank you so much, Priyanka. You can also mention the names while placing order so that it can be mentioned here. Now let's unwrap this and see what all we have inside. Oh my god, this is so pretty. At first I see this beautiful clutch or wallet or purse, whatever you call it. It's looking red in color, but this is actually magenta pink in color and the material is of velvet fabric. It has a self floral kind of pattern and there is this golden border along with this metallic jewel kind of thing with white stones around it and a pink color gem in between. It is a good and sturdy ethnic wallet. Not very spacious, but you can carry some cash and keys, the basic minimals. I think it is looking really pretty and nice. I liked it. Then outside I had this Monsub 3-in-1 mask. This is the 3D hanging ears, face and neck mask plus Essence series in the brown rice variant, and it has the peptide essence to rejuvenate the skin. It is purifying, brightening, softening, lifting and firming. So this is how the mask looks like, and the cost of this product is 250 rupees. And they have given all the directions on how to use. Sheet masks are really gentle on your face, so these are suitable for any age group. Even teenagers can use them frequently, which is not advisable when it comes to mud or clay based masks. As the skin is very soft and sensitive, they should only use gentle skincare products and minimal makeup to keep it that way for a longer period of time. Then inside we have another mask from Monsub, and this is the gold eye mask. The cost of this product is 200 rupees and I have already used this and it's really good and soothing for eyes. It brightens your under eyes a bit and helps in removing fine lines. So this is definitely a required product after the late night studies during exams, or should I say late night gossips with your BFF during sleepovers. I know what happens, I have been there. So next we have the prettiest friendship bracelet or band ever. Seriously, I have never found a better friendship band. It's a multi-layer bracelet with a line of pearls, having these golden hearts with friend and this heartbeat engraved on them. Then there is a line of stones and another golden chain. I love multi-layer jewelry, be it necklace or a bracelet, and they are so much in trend nowadays. This is just so beautiful. If you want your BFF to realize how special she is for you, just gift her this and she'll know. And then finally we have this mesh bag, inside which we have a fuchsia lip balm. So this is the shade Cherry Red, and in the ingredients it has beeswax, sunflower oil, shea butter, kokum butter, olive oil, olivem, castor oil, jojoba oil, sesame seed oil, grapeseed oil, cherry extracts and natural vitamin E. The cost of this product is 250 rupees for 8 grams of product. This is how it looks, and it actually has the cherry fragrance. A tinted lip balm is a teenager's best friend. I always used to keep one in my bag, and in fact I still do that. Most basic and most essential skincare plus makeup product is a tinted lip balm. This is definitely a good product. These were all the products in my friendship hamper. The cost of the 3 beauty products add up to 700. So including the jewelry, the friendship band and this wallet, it would easily go beyond 1000 rupees, but the cost of this hamper is just rupees 399, which is definitely a big save. There is an added shipping charge of 100 rupees, but to send anything across India, it would have costed you more than that if your BFF is not in the same city. And even if you include that amount because she is near you, it is less than 100 rupees per product in this hamper, which makes it a complete steal deal. They also have some discounts if you buy more than 1 hampers. Of course, it's possible to have more than 1 BFFs, and it's worth getting some discount for being such a good friend to more than one. I'll leave all the discount details along with the link to buy and other details in the description box for those of you interested in getting it. So overall, I think it's affordable, a really nice combination of products, a very pretty friendship band or bracelet, and a lot of savings for you. So yes, I would recommend buying this friendship hamper if you would like to gift something to your friend or friends on Friendship Day. This is a really good choice, and it comes pre-wrapped. So if you're a guy who just can't do all these wrappings and all, or you live far from your girlfriend, definitely a lifesaver for you. No need to search for the best gift for her, I have already found it for you. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. That is all that you need to do to participate in the giveaway running on my channel. I'll leave the link to it in the description box for you guys to check it out. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.